Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2016 Subaru XV, stock number 6268. This ran from the 3rd 2015 to the 4th 2017. It has an FB 22-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is FB 22-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,